Good evening and welcome back to Easy English Room. I'm happy you've chosen to spend this time with me today. Maybe you're winding down after a long day. Perhaps you're sitting comfortably at home with a warm drink nearby. You might be taking a short break from studying. Or maybe you're listening during a quiet evening walk. Wherever you are and whatever kind of day you've had, thank you for being here. This is your time to slow down, relax, and enjoy English in a natural way. There's no pressure here. No need to hurry. No need to be perfect. Just listen carefully, repeat confidently, and allow yourself to improve one sentence at a time. Before we begin, take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Let your shoulders relax. Allow your mind to settle. Notice how much easier learning feels when you aren't rushing yourself. Remember, language learning is built through consistency. A few minutes of practice every day can create remarkable progress over time. Some days will feel easier than others. Some sentences will sound natural right away. Others may take a little more repetition. That's completely normal. Every learner experiences that journey. The important thing is that you keep showing up. Every sentence you repeat helps strengthen your listening skills. Every word you speak helps build fluency. And every practice session helps your confidence grow. Today, we're going to practice English around a topic that many people experience every day: making decisions. From choosing what to eat, to planning the future, to deciding how to spend our time, decisions are a regular part of life. Through today's practice, you'll hear useful expressions that sound natural in everyday conversations. As always, listen carefully. Pay attention to pronunciation. Notice the rhythm of the sentences. Then repeat using your own voice. Try to sound relaxed and natural. Let's begin. I can't decide what to have for dinner tonight. I can't decide what to have for dinner tonight. Now repeat. I can't decide what to have for dinner tonight. I've been thinking about it all afternoon. I've been thinking about it all afternoon. One more time. I've been thinking about it all afternoon. Very good. Sometimes the simplest choice is the best one. Sometimes the simplest choice is the best one. Repeat. Sometimes the simplest choice is the best one. I don't want to rush this decision. I don't want to rush this decision. Again. I don't want to rush this decision. Excellent. Both options sound pretty good to me. Both options sound pretty good to me. Now repeat. Both options sound pretty good to me. Maybe I should sleep on it and decide tomorrow. Maybe I should sleep on it and decide tomorrow. One more time. Maybe I should sleep on it and decide tomorrow. Great job. That sounds like a reasonable choice. That sounds like a reasonable choice. Repeat naturally. That sounds like a reasonable choice. Everything looks clearer when I'm calm. Everything looks clearer when I'm calm. Again. Everything looks clearer when I'm calm. Wonderful. I asked a friend for some advice. I asked a friend for some advice. Repeat. I asked a friend for some advice. Their suggestion gave me a new perspective. Their suggestion gave me a new perspective. One more time. Their suggestion gave me a new perspective. Good work. What's the worst thing that could happen? What's the worst thing that could happen? Repeat. What's the worst thing that could happen? Most decisions aren't as scary as they seem. Most decisions aren't as scary as they seem. Again. Most decisions aren't as scary as they seem. Excellent pronunciation. Take a slow breath. Let's continue. I'm weighing the pros and cons. I'm weighing the pros and cons. Repeat. I'm weighing the pros and cons. The benefits seem greater than the risks. The benefits seem greater than the risks. One more time. The benefits seem greater than the risks. Very nice. A little patience can make a big difference. A little patience can make a big difference. Repeat naturally. A little patience can make a big difference. There's no need to decide immediately. There's no need to decide immediately. Again. There's no need to decide immediately. Great. Sometimes I overthink small things. Sometimes I overthink small things. Sometimes I overthink small things. Now repeat. Sometimes I overthink small things. Many people struggle with the same habit. Many people struggle with the same habit. One more time. Many people struggle with the same habit. Excellent. The answer became clearer after a short walk. The answer became clearer after a short walk. Repeat. The answer became clearer after a short walk. Fresh air often helps me think better. Fresh air often helps me think better. Again. Fresh air often helps me think better. Wonderful work. Trusting yourself takes practice. Trusting yourself takes practice. Repeat naturally. Trusting yourself takes practice. Every decision teaches us something valuable. Every decision teaches us something valuable. One more time. Every decision teaches us something valuable. Good job. Not every choice has a perfect outcome. Not every choice has a perfect outcome. Repeat. Not every choice has a perfect outcome. Sometimes you simply choose and move forward. Sometimes you simply choose and move forward. Again. Sometimes you simply choose and move forward. Excellent. I finally made up my mind. I finally made up my mind. Repeat naturally. I finally made up my mind. It feels good to stop worrying about it. It feels good to stop worrying about it. One more time. It feels good to stop worrying about it. Very good. Now I can focus on other things. Now I can focus on other things. Repeat. Now I can focus on other things. A clear decision brings peace of mind. A clear decision brings peace of mind. Again. A clear decision brings peace of mind. Excellent. The more experience I gain, the easier it becomes. The more experience I gain, the easier it becomes. Repeat naturally. The more experience I gain, the easier it becomes. Confidence grows one step at a time. Confidence grows one step at a time. One more time. Confidence grows one step at a time. Wonderful. I don't need all the answers right away. I don't need all the answers right away. Repeat. I don't need all the answers right away. One small step is often enough for today. One small step is often enough for today. Again. One small step is often enough for today. Fantastic work. Take a comfortable breath. Allow yourself to relax for a moment. You completed another English practice session today, and that is something worth appreciating. Every time you listen carefully and speak out loud, you're strengthening important language skills. Little by little, your listening becomes sharper. Your pronunciation becomes more natural, and your confidence continues to grow. Remember that fluency doesn't appear overnight. It develops through steady practice, through patience, through repetition, and through showing up consistently, just like you did today. If some sentences felt challenging, that's perfectly fine. Those challenging moments are often where growth happens. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep trusting the process. Thank you for spending part of your day with me here in Easy English Room. I hope this session helped you feel calm, focused, and encouraged. Take care of yourself. Stay patient with your progress. And remember that every practice session brings you one step closer to speaking English with greater confidence and ease. Until next time, have a peaceful evening, and I'll see you again very soon.